Hi there, it's Wolf from Mason Kings. Today on this video, we're going to show you how to remove the covers on the machine. This is a good thing to do, part of cleaning your machine throughout the winter or the summer. So the first thing you want to do is lower your machine down here. This machine has it on the side. Some machines will have it up on the dash. Then all you want to do, today I'm using a power tool with a 10mm socket to make my life a little bit easier and make this video quicker. But you can use a spanner or a ratchet. So all you want to do is you've got two 10mm there and the 10mm here. You just want to so after you've loosened them two bolts there, remove that cover, nice and easy. They should all be pretty easy. Some are a little bit more fiddly, but you will do it. And then as you can see, now you've got access to everything underneath. So all you need to do is either get a blower or a pressure washer, get underneath, clean it all out. After you've done that, get your cover again, slot it into place. Make sure everything's tight and back on. This cover does have to go back on because it is for health and safety. If it doesn't go back on, then, you know, it could be quite dangerous. Thank you for listening. If you've got any questions, you can give us a call. We also provide this on a service. When we do it, we do all this. And if you have any issues, just let us know. Thank you.